Okay, so hello po. Available na po ang ating Science 7 Term 1 PPTs LP. Nakailaw format na din yung worksheets natin at ang ating learning guide. So for your reference lang, ipapakita ko lang po yung preview video po ng ating mga PowerPoint presentations. So if gusto ninyo or magustuhan ninyo yung PowerPoint presentation, you can avail naman po. Meron tayong instruction sa description ng video. Okay, so ito yung mga topic na kasama sa Term 1, Science 7, which is according sa ating budget of work or sa list ng ating learning competencies. So una dito yung particle model of matter, okay, particle motion, changes in the states of matter, scientific investigation, accurate measurement, understanding solutions, nandito yung concentration, acid, bases, and salts. And then next is factor affecting solubility, science, equipment, and the compound microscope, observing cell parts using microscope, and then we also have the unicellular and multicellular organism, and then the plant and animal cells. So let's take a look po or a peek dun sa mga PowerPoint presentation. Unahin natin yung unang lesson, which is scientific models and the particle model of matter. Hindi naman na bago, ito din naman po yung lesson natin last year. Ano? Okay, so sa mga tatanong kung nabago, ito pa rin po yung lesson natin last year. And then we also have the second lesson, the particle particle motion. Okay, ito yung ating particle motion. Okay, so it's the competency po is according sa ating BAW. Okay, ayan po. Pwede nyo lang i-check. Ayan, so ito po. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint presentation, particle motion. And then we also have the third one, we have the changes in the states of matter. Okay, ito yung third lesson natin. Napakadali lang naman ng mga lesson dito. So, kayo kung gusto ninyo pong mag-avail, go lang. And then the next PowerPoint, we also have the scientific investigation. And mind you po, itong mga activities na ito is self-made po. Ako po ang gumawa, nag-isip po ng mga activities para maging interactive lang yung ating um, lesson. So, ayan po. Okay. And then, the next one, yung ating fourth lesson, yun na nga, scientific investigation. And then the fifth one, the accurate measurement and data organization in scientific investigation. Okay? So, ito lang po yun. Okay. Ayan. So, go lamang. Laban na laban naman ng ating mga PowerPoint. Okay, so anyway, yung pang-anim naman po is understanding solutions. Medyo antok na ako kasi minamadali ko na ito para ang dami po kasi nagtatanong about grade 7. Actually, hindi ko dapat 'to gagawan, eh. Kaso nga lang may isa po akong teacher na hindi talaga matanggihan. Okay, so anyway, natapos naman ng maayos. Okay? And then po dun sa mga bumibili po, pasensya po hindi ko po agad ma-send yung mga files na binibili niyo kasi minsan may ginagawa ako sa bahay and may sa school. So mag-aano naman po ako ng schedule. Ito po yung ating week 6 factors affecting solubility. Week number 8, the science equipment and compound microscope. Okay. So, inaano ko lang pick, hindi ko pa yan hindi pa po yan naka-slideshow. Inaano ko lang yung pick. Like for example, ito pag naka-slideshow, ganito pang itsura. Ayan. Okay. So, next, we also have the observing cell parts using the microscope. Ito po yun. Okay. Ayan. So, tama naman na yan. And then we also have the unicellular and multicellular organism. This one. Okay, madali lang naman po itong mga activities. We also have the plant and animal cell. Okay, ayan lang po yun. So, if you are interested po sa pag-avail, go lang. Mag-message lamang po kayo. Thank you so much.